is a tutorial on how to put on Beauty Cora press-on nails. So this is everything that comes in the packet. You've got your info packet here, which has everything that you need to do to remove the jellies and all that kind of stuff. It's got the gel, like the sticky gels things. I don't really use those. We've got our prep pad, which is important, and our nail file. And the glue is in the packet. So we've got our glue and all of our nails here. So let's open this up, and we're going to start by buffing all of the nails. So we're going to buff all our nails, push our cuticles back, and then wipe them with this. So let's do it. So we're just going to start filing the nails, making sure they're nice and rough so something's got something to grip onto. So now that our nails are nice and buffed out, we've pushed everything back. We're going to get our prep pad, which it comes with 2, so that's pretty good, because there does come with 24 nails. So that means that you've got 2 times to do it. Ta-da! So then you need to find all the nails that match, like your thumb, your fingers, whatever. You need to find everything that matches and then hold it up to make sure it's going to be a match. And that actually feels like a perfect match. I'm just making sure it goes to the right bit because the number goes at the top. Or does it go at the bottom? No, number definitely goes at the top. So that's the bottom piece there. So that would be the bottom nail. So with that, you just need to glue it. So open up your glue. And then we need to cut it with something. Now that the glue is opened, these actually feel pretty alright too. I like to just squirt a bit on my actual nail, just to get it all in there. Squirt some on the fake nail. Set that down. And then I push it in to the bottom and just hold it on. Oh, I glued my finger. But I just hold it on like that. And then some of the glue seeps out and sticks to your finger and stuff, but that's totally fine too. These are a really, really good length. I like them. And that fits on quite nicely and looks really cute. So now to do the whole hand. And once that's all done, I'm just going to file down the edges because I want them to be a different shape. Because see how they kind of fan out? So I'm just going to file them a bit up here before I go and apply a top coat. So let's do that. Let's do the other hand and then top coat. And then once you're all done, you file them down and then top coat and you're all good to go. And that is how you apply the Beauty Cora fake nails. And they're really strong as well. But I like this short design because it means I can still do my job, still have nice, glamorous, fancy nails, and they still look really cute too. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!